What is up, guys? Your boy Shadain here, and today we're back with another unboxing. Now today's unboxing is the new iPad Air M2 or the 6th gen iPad. We also have the Pro, the Apple Pencil Pro, which has the new touch feature embedded in the tip of the pencil as well. So today we're going to be unboxing both of these, and then in a further videos we'll be having some more products lined up with the accessories and so forth. But let's go ahead and unbox this too and just tell you my first impressions on both. And this is the Starlight version as well, which is a old color, but I love this color, so I went with this specific color. I don't know if you guys can see this. This almost looks like gray. It doesn't even look, I can hardly tell. It doesn't even look any goldish to me. But yeah, we have it right here, and this is the 11-inch model. Let's see what comes in the box. So let's spin it this way. We have designed by Apple California. We have the traditional cord here, and then we also have the standard 20-watt brick from Apple as well. And then let's see what we get inside here. Guess we have no more stickers, guys. That's the end of the stickers, but we do have guide, and then we have a little tip booklet here that's coming in the box. So that's pretty much all we get into this little box. Let's put everything back together, because I like to have this box in pristine condition. And then we have the Apple Pencil Pro. Let me go ahead and pop this open as well. I like how it opens. We have another booklet. I just think these are just instructions. Yeah, all instructions. I won't even open these. And then we have the Apple Pencil, guys. See if we'll focus. There we have it. Let's do a peel. It has a long, rigid area here, which is nice. Then everything else is smooth, which is good. Now, I have heard that these tips can come off, and we didn't get any additional tips on the box. It's just the pencil itself. So let's just have this box closed up, and then I'm gonna get this device all set up so you guys can see some of the features. Now, it has, let's go over some of the ports we have here. We have the Type-C port with the speakers on the bottom here. Then, put this pencil down. Then we have on the top, we have the power button with another speaker grill. Well, two other speaker grills. Don't know if these are actually speaker grills. But we also have a touch-sensitive Touch ID button on the power button as well. We have volume rockers on the right hand side of the device, which is nice. And then we also have the where the SIM tray used to be, which is no longer because we're going to be using eSIM. Alright, let's see if we have any power in this device and turn it on. Well, you do actually. Alright, now we're on. We're gonna go ahead and set this device up. All right, guys, so we are pretty much set up with the device, and now I'm just going to set up the Apple Pencil. Now, once you put it on top of there, it will ask you a bunch of questions, and as you guys can see, we'll be walking you guys exactly through my process here. Now, the first thing we'll see, it says, try scribble. Use your pencil to handwrite in any text area to convert it into type. Give a scribble to try and handwriting to some text into the box below. Now let's pop it off, and it says try writing or below, and you guys can see it worked. Delete, remove. Oh, so deleting, you just, oh, that's cool. Did not know that. And then you can continue. Wait, go back. Select, making a straight line or circling something. That's cool. And there we are. That's pretty much. And then join. We hit join. We can stop now. All right, now join. This one says join a character to separate words by drawing a line of vertical line before and after any character. So that's cool. So if, for instance, I want to separate these, I can separate, which I didn't know first time using Apple Pencil. So that is a cool feature. Go next, add to Find My, add pencil. Because with this new pencil, we've got the Find My support added to it, which makes it easier for you to find if you lose it. Go ahead and focus. So if you lose your pencil, you can go ahead and find this. And as you guys can see, it says Apple Pencil Pro on the top there. Now it says adding Find My location. Locate in the map, find, and then hit done. Now, let's say I'm in notes. All right, guys, so we're going to start with the notes app, and pretty much what we're doing is making a first note. So let's say I'm writing something, or let's do an undo. And you pretty much can take notes in this with just your handwriting, which is cool. Now, as you guys can see, we are now having that pressed feature. We can now erase. So if I click that once and hold it, let me go ahead and show it to you guys. Click, erase. I can now go ahead and erase the stuff that I have already written on my notes app. Now, let's say I want to go back to my pencil, and then I can pick the color, maybe red, and then we can do be happy, and there you have it. All right, now let's move on to the other one, and also I've activated Stage Manager as well. We have Final Cut Pro here, and I have a video that I was editing, and this works very well in the new system. So let's go ahead and open up this project again. Now this is being edited in 4K, or together I should say. Now we can also add effects, blur effects, color effects. Final Cut Pro doesn't really have a lot on the iPad, so don't expect it to have a lot of stuff. And then we can go ahead and resize all these things. We can animate by selecting stuff and just doing animation there. We can do volume, we can show the volume, we can do inspect. And you guys can see we can do a format. We can mess with the scaling and other things, but this is working and is running very well. With this new M2 processor, we can do a lot of things on this device, and this processor pretty much is very powerful because of the new M2, which the iPad Pro had before. I'll be dropping the specs here on the side so you guys can see the specs of this device and go over some other features for this.